awaiting the arrival of Pope Francis in Bethlehem by helicopter from Amman, arriving in the state of Palestine. This is probably security, but wanted to give you a bit of the atmosphere. I'm standing on a little balcony area off of the media center in the Bethlehem City Hall. So this is what I see as I walked out on the balcony. Here's more planes. Let's go back. One of these is bound to be the Holy Father, arriving from Amman, directly in Bethlehem, state of Palestine. It's only later today that he will fly to Tel Aviv to begin the Jerusalem part of his visit with the Patriarch Bartholomew. Another look here at extensive Bethlehem. I don't know, I can't identify buildings, but it's up close and personal for all my YouTube followers. It is Sunday, May 25, 2014, second day of Pope Francis's Holy Land pilgrimage. And a beautiful day it is. More later.